Hi guys, Mark's here, Everything Tenere. Today's video is about accessories and bolts on for your T7 and what I have put on my bike for roughly 5,500 to 6,000 US dollars or euros, probably more, but that's, you know, the short list of things that I bolted on. So stay tuned and let's check it out. So let's start with the front. So I removed the OEM front fender. So this is the perfect fairings one-piece front fender made out of reinforced, not Kevlar, but glass fiber, and Kevlar in some places at the screws or the bolts. Haven't tested it out really yet, so I can't tell you if it's any good or bad, if it will handle a crash or not. My original ones are busted up. Then we go to the forks, the front forks. I of course have the RallyRaid open cartridge kit in the front, which I have had for the last year. Really like them. They are lovely, perfect adjustments, everything super. I also have a extra high beam LED ramp here that the brand is Pure Looks. I think it was called X Slim 180 or something like that. So this is a focused spot, so it's not a wide array of light. Continue to rearwards. We have the GPmucci skid plate, of course, which you guys have seen, and super happy with that. I crashed a lot. I put some bends in it. I straightened it out, and it has taken all the beating I could put on it. But yeah, I also modded the air intake here, so now I have a grill in behind here, so I don't get a lot of big gravel pieces and stuff inside under my engine case or the sump guard, so it should stay safe. Let's continue. I also have the Yamaha LED Plus blinkers front and rear, which has position lighting built into it, and rear and braking light as well. I only use the added braking light in the rear. Up here in the front, double take mirrors, Sherby's X Factor handguards. I moved my speedo to the handlebars to accommodate the rally tower that you guys have seen. I have the Carpe Iter CA pad up here for the rally tower. We'll get some close-ups on that as well. I have the Terrain Command Gen 2 rally controllers for the pad. I have a manual ABS off switch here, so I keep ABS switched off even if I stall the bike, or turn it on, turn it off and turn it on back again, so that's good. The custom graphic kit, you have seen that one, of course, so that's nothing new, or it's new, but if you've seen my other video you might have seen it already. So it just has a different pattern. This is from Decal Moto in Italy. So they have a kit which comes with the GPmucci skid plate decal as well. I just customized this kit so it has a pattern in the, like a layering from their desert kit, and I think it looks really good. Going back down here, we can see that I have the triple clamp engine guards, also the water pump guard, and you can see that already have scratches on it, but I think it's from my boot. With the Thork skid plate, I also have the protection kit. So you have it here, you have on a throttle body on the other side, and the rear ABS sensor as well. It's the standard seat. I really want the rally version seat, but yeah, it's the standard seat. And if you take a closer look on the rally tower and the CA pad, you can see my custom arm underneath there that holds everything up. Otherwise, nothing special here other than Yamaha OEM heated grips. Go backwards, you can see that I have the Camel ADV high exhaust. I really would like to have the enduro bend mid pipe, so I get you know, a different angle on the exhaust as well. So might get that in the future. I also have homemade calf support here, or like steg pegs, but homemade. I will actually remake these so they come up a bit higher. I have a Atelier rear rack, which was an Arnold classic, so that one reaches all the way back here, and you have an added metal bracket here for a top bag or whatnot. So I actually cut this down to look like an Arnold minimal. This is not done yet. I will grind some edges here, and I paint it up as well, so I don't cut myself and I don't get rust. So rearwards, here you can see the LED plus blinkers as well. This is a T7 Rally tail tidy, which have worked really good for me. Added a reflector here on the rear so I don't get any problems with the cops. Otherwise in the rear, nothing there, nothing special at all. You can see the triple clamp cover here as well, and the protection kit there. What more? Well, we have the RallyRaid Extreme Shock in the rear. So this one I haven't tested out fully yet because I haven't been able to ride with it. I just put it on, you know, 2 months ago, and I haven't been out in the snow testing it out. New link arm protector there from GPmucci as well, so I have a few spares. This is the new design, which actually installs better, and it sits better. By the way, this GPmucci skid plate is the generation 2 skid plate, which you have a 3rd generation as well for the Euro 5. Right now I have the Anarchy Wild or Anarchy Wild's tires on, because these are studded with the best grip studs. So for winter riding, not for ice riding, but winter riding, this is a really short studs, so works great on tar with the winter conditions and not too much snow. I will actually remove the front and rear wheel today and put on my Motos tires. I have the RallyRaid, so I have a few extra now as well, so I will manage the whole season out, and maybe next year as well. I also have more spare parts. I have new bearings for front and rear. I have the dust covers for the bearings as well, front and rear. I have a new chain and sprockets, which I will replace when it's time. Something else that's not on the bike at the moment is my Endurostan Races to Places bag combo. So that's the Sandstorm 4H tank bag. You have the Blizzard large side bags, and you have the Tornado top bag or duffel in medium size as well. So you guys will see that in a later video coming out next week. So that's pretty much my bike, and yeah, I think it looks awesome. Is it worth $6 grand of added parts to it? Well, we'll see. Next up as well, we'll be testing the rally tower, and you know how it will hold, but it's super steady. It really will not move, I think. And yeah, please like and subscribe, guys. As you might know, I got 1,000 subscribers last week, so that's great. Also 4,000 watch hours. I put on monetization on the channel. I know a lot of people don't like commercials and stuff on it, but I would love to be able to get some money from YouTube so I can do more upgrades, of course, and also maybe buy more GoPro cameras so I can put more cameras out there when going wild in the sand pits and so on, or just on adventure rides. So there will be more adventure riding coming up this summer for sure. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you a lot for watching. Stay safe, don't do anything stupid, like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Cheerios, bye bye.